say?
Okay.
You drawing with the chalk?
No, not you.
You want blue?
No. Yeah, I want you. It's really super stuff.
It's really cheapest though? Yeah, he'll let you use it.
And now I got on my pink.
Yeah?
I got on my pink.
That's okay.
Of course it got on your pink. That's what you drew with it.
On that pink too.
Yeah.
What are you doing over there? Can you zoom in while you're recording?
Video? I don't think so.
That.
What are you eating over there?
What are you eating?
Yeah.
Pizza? Who gave you that?
Mimi.
Mimi? Who bought the pizza? Was it Pa? No.
It's sweet choo-choo, Mommy.
It's what? Whoa! Colors. What colors are there?
Pink and two pinks.
And what other colors?
Blue.
And what other?
There.
White.
That's just look at me.
Yes, yellow. Right. Yellow. And green. Where's green? I see green. Right there? Is that
No.
green?
That's green.
What?
No drinks there.
Right there. That's not green?
A sweet drink. Hey, me.
Are you feeding Zoe?